Imagine a small village called Eldora. Beautiful place. Rivers, trees, happy people. But Eldora had a problem. Every 10 years, a massive flood came and destroyed their farms. Every single time. Now, years ago, the village elders built a big wall to block the river when it flooded. It worked. The people were safe. Crops survived. Everyone was happy. But generations passed. The wall crumbled, and no one bothered to fix it. The new leaders said, "Why spend money on something that hasn't been a problem for years?" So they built a soccer stadium instead. Guess what happened? Yup, the river rose, the flood came, and once again, disaster. The young people asked, "Why didn't anyone warn us?" The answer? They forgot. Or worse, they never knew. The lesson? Those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. It's like touching a hot stove again and again, forgetting it burns. History isn't just dates and dead people. It's warnings, lessons, clues, like road signs from the past saying, "Turn here, danger ahead." Eldora's mistake wasn't the flood. It was forgetting the first flood, and the second, and the third. So next time someone says history is boring, remind them, history isn't just what happened. It's why it happened, and how we can stop it from happening again.